Okay, here we have the Elu Bandsaw. It's on a homemade stool of a bench. It comes with some new blades. 1, 2, 3 plus the one in there. I think the one inside is getting blunt. I think these are all new ones. I think they cost about £40. Might have been £35. Nice big motor. There's details there. Adjustments all over the place. As with all bandsaws, the setup and adjustments are critical, otherwise it won't cut properly. You can see that Elu EBS 3501A1. It's 0.75 kilowatts, so that's 9 horsepower. It's got the key, emergency turn off. Let's plug it in. It comes with a Allen key down there. Take the things off. Okay, sliding mitre, which is going to be adjusted. The thing there. It's a bit noisy at the moment because it's not bolted down onto the bench, and the bench, of course, being a wooden stool, vibrates a bit. It really needs to be strapped to the wall or put on another bench. As I said, there's lots of adjustments to be made. It looks like by the amount of sawdust in there, it needs a good hoovering out, because that's where the dust vacuum cleaner goes for dust extraction, which obviously helps. And that's it. The screw there, and it hinges open on the back, so you can change the blade, very easily done. The table cants over various degrees. I haven't got a tape measure, but that must be 14 or 15 inches, 14 inches perhaps, and you've got about 6 inches on the adjuster there. Okay, well, that's the Elu Bandsaw. Thank you for watching.